Welcome back. We're going to look at some other concepts in transformational geometry. This one's going to be an enlargement and a reduction. You will see what I mean by this one. This is tricky, so let's do this. Here's the original figure right here. And I'm just going to measure it out. AB, I'm going to write it at the bottom here. AB equals, we'll call this units, 6 units. And AC equals 3 units. Okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw an enlargement. And we're going to find out what the scale is of the enlargement. Okay, now that we've drawn this new figure, this is the same shape. They're similar. We have to label this one with the new letters, except they look like this. We use these symbols here. They're called prime. So there we go. So now we would have to measure how big AB, A prime, B prime equals. So when you count this across, it's 24 units. And A prime, C prime, that's going to be 12 units. So when you have this fraction here, you'll see that you can create a fraction out of it. Sorry if I spoiled the surprise, but you would do something like this. A prime, B prime over AB. Well, A prime, B prime is 24 over 6. And it needs to match. So let's do A prime, C prime over AC. That is 12 over 3. So this would equal 4. This would equal 4. So this is an enlargement because this is the original here. So this, you would label this as an enlargement by a factor of 4. Okay, so here is the original shape, the original square, and here's the new square. I'm going to label it with the primes. Now you'll notice I put a little dot here in the middle. This is where the action happens. So in this case, the reduction happens from here. Okay, this in grade 7, we're not really focusing on it too much, especially because I'm not in the classroom, we're at home, but this is, what I'm explaining here is so basic that if you understand how to reduce them in size, then you'll be okay for next year when you get to grade 8. Okay, I know this is very basic. Other people might be watching it and they're going to tell me, well, you're not explaining it properly. I know I'm not. This is just for at-home learning. So you get AB, the original AB. This is 10. And A prime, B prime, this is 2. So let's get one more, even though we know it's a square. Let's get CD, C prime, D prime. It's also 10 and 2. So this is a scale of 5. It's being reduced by a scale of 5. Okay, again, grade 7s. This is such a basic overview of this lesson. You will get more information hopefully next year when you are not interrupted by COVID. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.